All right, yeah. Feel like a comedian now, and we've got a guest singer now. This is something that's never been done before, never been rehearsed. Tony's in the band, they're going out on the road shortly, and he just wants to get a bit of experience. So,
is it working for Tom, mate?
This is a song we're going to do. But why don't you introduce it? All right?
Yeah, this is Teenage Kicks.
1, 2. We're together for Tony Blair, thank you!